Hi all, so to begin, enter your 6-digit PIN number into the login screen. Once you're in, it will ask you to connect the Bluetooth probe. Simply turn on the probe and then hit connect in the device list menu. Wait for the orange light to appear on the top of the Bluetooth probe to indicate a connection has been made, and just make sure that the serial number on the back of the device matches the one on the screen. Now we're into the digital clipboard, click add new form and select from the selection of forms, in this case delivery check sheet. Hit save and it will appear at the bottom of your screen within the digital clipboard. Click open form. Once the form is loaded, you can begin to input the unit name or check on the temperature requirements. Next, click Add a new row. You can then begin inputting the information such as the date, supplier and food item using the drop-down menus, and you can also begin typing to automatically find what you're looking for. Next, click the blue Bluetooth icon on the right hand side. This will pop up with the field which will automatically have the temperature inside it, displaying whatever is shown on the Bluetooth handheld device. You can then complete the rest of the fields, including best before date, invoice number, etc. And at the bottom of the page, we have the option to upload a file or an image using the built-in camera from your device, which can be the receipt showing the temperature from the delivery truck. We can then add new row, where we can then duplicate the form for a different supplier or a different food item. Simply repeat the process again, select the blue Bluetooth icon, and the reading from the digital temperature probe will be displayed within the app. Complete the rest of the fields. Once you've completed the rest of the fields, we can then approve that form. Simply press the approve button in the bottom right hand corner and this will take you to your sign off page. Firstly, create a digital signature. Simply click digital signature and input your name, and this will print your name and a timestamp along with it. The next step is to use your PIN number to sign off the form, and this will then create the PDF printout containing all the temperatures we've taken. The sign off process can only be completed using a manager's PIN number. A digital copy of the PDF will be automatically sent to your manager. And we can also see that in the digital clipboard the form has now been approved. We can also view the PDF within the digital clipboard at any time for future reference.